You got a drawing pad?
It's this, Mommy. Oh, I see there.
Ooh.
Mommy, that's why I love it. Hey, Mommy, look what's in there.
Oh, a little La La Loopsy.
I got Lala Loopsy too.
Oh, how pretty.
Mommy, can I open this present too?
If your name's on it, go for it.
I don't see it.
Well, I think everything on that side's yours, Cal.
I think this one's mine. Yeah, my name on it. I think this one's mine. Mommy, here's my
Hi.
name on it.
Yep, go ahead and open it up.
You got a puppy?
Wow. Let me see.
Hey, Mommy, I got a game. Whoa, I got this.
Whoa, a Zelf. Looks like you can color
I
them.
got this. Give it back
Wow.
to me.
I'm
It's
trying to
in
see.
a
Maybe
really big box.
he does
So
something.
can you help me?
Is there a
Yeah,
safe
after
in
you open the rest of your presents.
this? Or